Studying in the UK? If you're an international student, you will need a UK VI account to be able to view and prove your electronic visa details online. You will need to be able to generate a share code to prove your immigration status. You should have a UK VI account from when you submitted your visa application. When your visa was granted, you should also have received instructions about linking your e-visa to your account. You need to go onto the View and Prove page of the UK government site and click Sign In. Log in with the identity document you used for your visa application. Usually that would be your passport. Once you're logged in, click Start Now. Check your details are correct and click Get a Share Code. There are 3 options for why you might need a share code. For example, to prove your right to work, prove your right to rent, or for anything else. For the university, you must choose the 3rd option, which says to prove your immigration status for anything else, and this includes study. Click Get a Share Code, and you'll receive a unique code valid for 90 days. If you're completing your enrolment at the start of your course, make sure you copy the code and enter it into the space provided on the Right to Study section of the enrolment task in eVision. We will use your share code to verify your immigration status online. Got your visa? Get a share code. It's quick and easy.